No, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
We're gonna do some first before we do the crazy war.
Come on, change some up.
Let's do some pranks.
Okay.
Whoa!
No. Wow.
Fail.
Nothing inside here.
Now let's shoot it. Let's shoot each other. Here, Connor, take your gun. Daddy, why your hand is not on your gun?
Mm-hmm.
Hey,
Because
where's
Daddy,
the holy hand?
no, Connor, no, don't, Connor, don't shoot people, okay?
Wait.
Oh, yeah, oh, okay.
Just keep doing that.
Yeah. No, don't shoot. Connor, don't shoot, okay? You're gonna hurt Daddy, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Well, yeah. Well, you're gonna hurt Daddy, okay?
Hey guys, I hope you like this video. Please enter your favorite comment. Please subscribe, comment, rate, and please subscribe.
No, don't.
That's all.
Okay.
Yeah!